So this is the new duplex we picked up. We'll do a little walkthrough. This is the 2-bedroom, 2-bath side. This is the kitchen. Got some damage on the floor. Knotty pine paneling and cabinets in the old wallpaper. You can see the previous tenant smoked. In here, there's a very large kitchen. A little built-in back here. And if you go straight through, you go into the very large living room space. Through that door is a shared hallway. This is a fireplace that is non-functioning. Okay, through here is the master bedroom. This one has 2 closets in it. And you go down the hallway here to one of the full baths. There's a closet here in the bathroom. Vanity. Tub shower combo. That is a real mess. And your washer and dryer. And you leave here. You can go into the next bedroom. This bedroom has 2 closets. We also have hardwood floors. And there's your second closet. And then you have a full bath. That's hiding in here. Let me see if I can get a light on. We have a full bath. Kind of love that wallpaper. And then the shower is hiding over here. I believe this is the shower the tenant was actually using. So there she is. That's the duplex. Bye!